Hello mga higala, kumusta? At ngayon may galad, nandito ako sa labas dahil nagsusnow today mga higala. Tingnan ninyo mga higala, yan ang snow. Yan, nag-uulan ng snow mga higala. Nakita ba ninyo? Yan o. Yan. Grabe ang lamig dito mga higala. Yan o. Ang snow. Dahil nagsa-start ang snow. Parang morning until now mga higala. Yan. Snow. Kahapon mayroon lang yung snow. At ngayon snow na naman. Yan. Yan. So ipakita ko sa inyo mga higala. Magpala kami ng snow mga higala. Tara, tingnan natin ang driveway mga higala. Si Daddy at saka si RJ nag-start ng pagpapala ng snow sa driveway. Okay, let's go! Ha? 2 inches? Yan mga higala, 2 inches. The snow. Almost done. RG shovel and Daddy. Oh no. Look at that pile, RJ. Have a lot of pile, RJ. Stick, RJ.
What?
Take the snow.
Six,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's heavy. Look at you do. Look at you do, RJ. Oh no. Look at that snow, RJ. Have a lot of snow. Oh no, here's RJ shoveling. Tingnan nyo ang snow guys. Oh, ang kapal. Ang kapal ng snow. Yan. Bote na lang ang sidewalk. Tapos na. Sa neighborhood namin. Nag-shovel sila kaninang umaga. Here's RJ, what you doing there? What you do, RJ? Oh my god, look at that. He's so thick, RJ there. Oh, look at that. Oh no. See, he fall down. RJ, you playing the snow? You like it the snow? It's so cold. Huh? There it is. It's so thick, guys. Tingnan yung snow. Ang lalamig dito. Okay, I blew here. The stairs have many leaves. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako nag-blow sa aming hagdanan. Yan, linis na. At saka ito ang aming mga tanim guys, mga plants dito. Wala nang leaves dahil kasi winter, napapatay sila, natagak na ilang kanilang mga dahon. Yan. Yan guys, ang snow, ang dami oh. RJ! RJ, where are you? Yan ang aming front yard guys, ang puti-puti na oh. Lahat ay snow na dito. Yan. Yan guys, grabe. Ang daming snow. So okay guys, that's it for today. Ang masishare ko sa inyo guys. So see you next video guys. Bye bye. Here we come guys. It's snowing. Look at guys. You see the snow guys. Nag-ulan ng snow. Yan. Yan guys. Ang dilim dito guys. Walang araw dahil nag-ulan ng snow. Yan si RJ. What you do, RJ? You eating a snow? Huh? Look at you. No, it's dirty that you eat. Yeah. You make you cold, RJ. Make you colder that you eating. Look at your hands, it's so red. See your hands at the RJ, oh. No. Yeah, we eating that snow. The more you make you shivering.
Favorite food snack.
Your favorite food. Oh my goodness. Yan si RJ. No. I threw you. No. No. It's dirty that there. Here is have a lot of snow. No. Snow fight. You want? Okay. Here is. Here is RJ. Woo! Look at RJ. Full of snow. Here is. Woo! No snow fight. You give up, RJ. You give up.
No, you
RJ.
play forever.
No.
Hit me. Hit me alright. What if it feels like on your hand?
Make what now, this RJ? No. Okay, that's it now. Tingnan nyo guys, ang snow. You cannot see. Look at RJ. So deep here, RJ. Look. Ooh. What you doing? Let's see. Don't do that. I'm cold now.
Battle.
Okay, enough, no? I'm cold. Look at your hands, it's so red. My goodness. I'm wet now, RJ. We're gonna.
I can fix the book.
Ooh, look
I
at
can
that.
fix it.
Ooh, Ganda that you and have here the plants. Ooh. Daming snow. And now don't do that. Look. So deep here, see? Woo. Woo. Don't do that. Okay guys, that's it for today. Grabe ang snow. Woo. Woo. Okay guys, that's it for today guys. Dahil lamig na kasi. Grabe ang lamig dito. So guys, so if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe kung bago kayo dito guys. See you next video guys. Bye bye.
More moments later.
We here outside again guys, and look at this snow guys. It's after 5 hours, and then mayroon namang snow yun, no? Yan si RJ nag-shovel na. Yan. Oh my goodness, RJ. Ang lamig. Buti na lang nag-stop ang snow, RJ. Yan, oh my goodness, a lot of snow, RJ. Yan ang snow, parang 2 inches na naman. Yan. Okay guys, and ngayon pupunta kami ng Smith, magkuha kami ng pick up grocery guys. So, let's go! Okay, RJ. Okay, now we go inside now. Now, cause we go to the Smiths. No.
Later we shovel this.
Huh?
Later I shovel this.
Maybe tomorrow cause it's late now. It's so noisy. So noisy. The neighbor is sleeping. It's 8 o'clock now. Okay, we go now. Okay, we go now. Let's go. RJ, you like to shovel? Okay, we go now. Daddy is waiting. Look at that. What you did, RJ. Back up, back up.
Seatbelts, please.
Okay, we go now.
The day and then we shovel
There is the snow.
Deep. 4 or 5 inches.
A lot of snow.
10.
Look at that snow. Yes, we're here now, guys. Here is the snack marketplace. There it is. Look like a ninja now. There is only few people there.
Why did we come here
So late.
so
Yeah.
late?
Because
No-
it's
no appointments.
the
Well, I'm not.
schedule.
God, you set an appointment for 8:30.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, RJ.
That said 8:30.
There is the pickup. The number 1.
Can't go over there.
Yes, guys. Pickup.
I'm going to do.
I'm gonna open up the back door. I'm gonna open up the truck, the thing. Don't need to.
I'm a medic kit.
Okay, I open. I'm vlogging. Okay, guys. We opened the back door here.
Hello.
Here is. Here is. Wow. Here is. Mayroong mga sako-sako dito dahil para mabigat. So is Hassan. Ito guys. Yan si RG oh. It's cold RG here. Woo. Here's RG. Let's see. See your face. Yeah. What's that there? Careful there, huh? Slippery of snow. There is all grocery there. We cannot see, so dark. Hey guys, we done na. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa aming bahay guys. At saka, I want to show you our grocery pickup guys. Ito oh. Yan. Yan guys. Ang aming grocery. Merong tubig sa milk. Yan lang. Maliit lang ang nabili. So, okay guys, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe kung bago pa kayo dito guys. Bye-bye!